Hey guys, good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday to you all. Today is the 5th, I think. Today is the 5th of December 2021 and I'm currently on my way to church. It's actually supposed to be our Christmas party for the year, but because of the pandemic I can't actually call it a party anymore. I don't even know whether many people will come or not, but we'll see how it goes, and I hope to take you along with me, and I know you would love it. You will definitely have fun. Just say Umu Igbo Zürich Christmas party at the church. Stay tuned and don't go nowhere. By the way, how do you see my makeup? I hope it's not so much. I hope it's not so shouty, but I know it's beautiful. So I don't need you to tell me it's not beautiful. You can say it's too much, it's too blah blah blah, but I know it is beautiful. Anyway, as you can see, I forgot my cap. I was in a haste, but it isn't so cold today, and I hope it will remain like this. At least I have my hand gloves, I've got my gloves, and my hair, thank God my hair is long enough so it can help cover my ears, because that's where the cold do stay. Anyway, let me just show you a bit of outside, and let's get this going. By the way, if you're stopping by for the first time, thank you so much for joining in, and please don't make it your last by hitting on the red subscribe button. If that subscribe button is still red right now, look down. If it's still red, you're not doing well. You are not doing well. So please hit on the red subscribe button. Let's become family and let's keep this ministry going. Anyway, in case you're wondering, let me explain my look to you, or let me analyze it. I'll give you the product details. On my lips, I'm wearing a lip liner by a Nigerian cosmetics, Zaron. I think the name is Vine, True Vine. And then I topped it with MAC Ruby Woo lipstick. My skin, I'm wearing MAC liquid foundation, NW45, Studio Fix Fluid NW45. And my eyes, I'm wearing Jackie Anastasia Beverly. As you all know, that's I've been into it. I think that's the only eyeshadow palette I've been using for a long time now. And then my glitters is now a brand. It's not a branded signature. I just got it from Amazon, I think. And what again? Okay, I'm wearing Huda Beauty highlighter, and then my matte foundation. My matte powder is NYX stay matte, but not stay matte, but not flat. I've forgotten the name, but it's from NYX Cosmetics, and that is it all. Obviously, I'm alone today. Look, my kids are supposed to come with me, but my husband decided to stay with them at home because the pandemic keeps rising. Presently, Germany has added Switzerland to its risk zone. So if you're traveling from Switzerland to Germany,
nächster Halt, Winterthur, Endbahnhof. Wir bitten alle Reisenden auszusteigen und verabschieden uns von Ihnen.
So the pandemic keeps rising, and with the new variants coming out, my husband decided to stay at home with them. So I'm alone. Actually, it should be fun, but because I'm used to going to church with them, at least here, I'm used to going to this particular church with them. So it kind of makes me feel, will I say weird or lonely somehow? But then I thought, yeah, it could also be fun. At least just go and live like, just be like a single lady. So once in a while, I won't even lie, sometimes I enjoy my own company. Like, I wish I crave for my own company when I'm with the kids. So you can imagine sometimes when they go and when they're not there, I try to make the best out of it and enjoy the moment. But today's on, at least the difference between today's one is that I'm all alone and I'm not going to work. If it were to be at home, I would say let me go and relax. But when I go home, instead of me to relax, you see me, I start doing all sorts of things, working, housework, no they finish. Anyway, I'm at my train station now, so I will stop here and I will be taking the next train to my destination. Don't go nowhere, stay tuned, and I love you all. I don't know if I've already introduced myself. I'm Ijoma. If you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Ijoma and I am in the city of Zürich, Switzerland. I only hear that. Anyway, I'm here now, so I just I went to the kiosk here to get credit card to call Africa for my husband, and now I'm going back to enter my next train. The mask is back, always on. So here is my next train. Here is I don't think I've ever sat on this side of the train before because I'm always with my I don't think I've ever sat on this side of the train before because I'm always with kids, and this place is not meant for kids. This place is not meant for, and my pram cannot enter here. Obviously, let me just show you. There is no space here for the wagon to go through, so let me enjoy the moment. Now it's getting dark, it's not bright anymore, and I'm here at my destination. Let me show you a bit of the environment. The beauty of Switzerland. It's Christmas already. Anyway, I'm liking the sun. So Outfit of the day wouldn't be a bad idea at all, I think. So here my dress is from Essential Antwerp, my handbag is from Michael Kors, my boots are from Zara, my strumpfhose or leggings or hose as you call it is from H&M, my jacket is from the North Face, and my shawl or scarf is from Pepper Jeans, and my hair is from Glam Splash. Well, as expected, Nigerian party is always characterized with too much food, plenty food.
For what? When you hand the scream everywhere, among them one.
I care about my Christmas party guy. Next time I watch my weights. Oh, no. Look, she's also a YouTuber. You want to check out her channel, okay? Yeah. We are increasing in number. Yes. Okay. Success is why you're a YouTuber. Okay, yeah, you want to because hey guys, it's been a beautiful day, so I'm currently on my way now. I'm going to catch up with my train. My kids at home, so let me go. At least today it wasn't so cold today, so and I'm glad. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll still see you all. I hope you've been enjoying it, and please, I'm still begging, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Let's experience the beauty of Switzerland together. Hey guys, so I'm back home now. As you can see, it's already getting late and it's been a day. Actually, it was great. I had fun and my makeup is still popping. So far so good, and I hope you also enjoyed this vlog. I hope you had a great time with us. I'll see you all tomorrow as always. Anyway, thank you so much for your love and support so far. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, it was really good. I mean, the last time I went to this church was in August. So once in a while you come out, you see people you've not seen. You know what? You look good, you dress well, most importantly, and then you worship God with your brethren. It's getting cold now. So thank you so much. Anyway, thank you so much for watching to this end. Thank you so much for your love and your support. And I'll definitely see you all tomorrow. Ciao.